Yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah. See, the mark is a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness.
What is up, party people? What's up? What's up? What's up? Daily payouts. It's the name of the game. Got one today, trade day. Let's go. Let's go. Daryl in the house. Caveman. Thought it broke. JR in the house. Hey, what's up, Terry Trades? In the house. Holy cow, Terry Trades. 563,878 points. Let's go. Caveman in the house. Inside bar, yeah. First inside bar paid. Excuse me. Paid big time. This is the first inside bar right here. It rips. Terry took it live on My Funded Futures TV. First inside bar, she took like 60 points out of it. So awesome. Brutal day, honest take. Yeah, not lots of volatility. Not easy. Anthony Marquez, what is up? Let's check out the loyalty since Terry brought it up. Ooh. She still hasn't beat Mo, though. Still hasn't beat Uncle Mo. Check out the loyalty points. Mo Lester right here. We're up to the top here. Uncle Mo. Terry Trades 100 right here. His Royal Trades. Haven't seen his Royal Trades in a hot minute. Hope he's doing all right. Biblical Nate. Let's go. Coach Fred coming out up on top with the Watchtowers, followed by Design Knob, Amelia. Haven't seen Amelia in a hot minute. John Walk, Yo Jim, Woodchip. His Royal again, Alfred, Red Candles, Sabak, Eric Lake. Haven't seen Eric in a while. Hope my peeps are doing all right. Let's go. We're gonna give away an account today, guys. Uncle Mo, yeah, he's at 2,271,190 with only 9 watchtowers. So he just comes in and just donates. Hey, his Royal Trades, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. We're gonna give it away a Lucid account today. Pin message, there we go. All right, so we got OC Dog Trainer in the house. His Royals in the house. Do I think Lucid straight to funded is worth it? I do. I just got a payout with Lucid straight to funded, and I'm almost at another payout. Let's check this out. This is my best account I got going right now. Not to jinx it, but here we go. We got Lucid direct to funded right here. Currently up $14,168 on it. Just crushing it. The 150K. You get $6,000 in drawdown with Lucid. So yeah, absolutely awesome. So working on another payout. I just took a 3K payout on it, and I'm currently working on the next. Show you. So I need approximately I currently need I gotta trade it for 2 more days. I gotta make 4,500 bucks basically to qualify for another payout. It's currently at 161. This one right here is up 3,331. I've been trading this one for 7 days already, but I've taken some hits on this one. So this one, hopefully I can get to another payout. Bodine, what's up? Did I get a free account with Trade Day with the points? You know, I don't really know. I could check. Market opens up in about 1 minute. So my Tradeify accounts got messed up on Monday for that Project X thing. So I'm still waiting for them to fix that. I don't know how to. I don't even know how to check my points. No offense, trade day, but man, I fumble around this website. Oh, I guess I got no, I only got 60 points. Oh, I used some points, so I don't know. I don't know what I had before. I did get another account with points, but I don't remember how much I. Yeah, so I reset an account with learn and earn rewards points. But to be honest with you, I don't know how many I had before. So. Let's go. Market's open, guys. Good luck. I do not want to trade this account until I get that payout. Market's open, guys. How'd you guys do today? Jobber, what's going on? Sparta. Oh yeah, I gotta fix something. I've been traveling from the last month. Just got back from Myrtle Beach. So let's go, his Royal Trades. Nice to take a break from the screens, and it's going to be a $250 million straight to funded. Yeah, that's right. Lamb, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Hello, hello. What's going on? Mr. 3549. What's going on? Gold's first bounce. What's up, Trev? It's Mo, bro. First inside bar was insane. Hope some of you capitalized on it. We know Terry Trades did. Beautiful trade. Emotional control wasn't the best. Yeah, very tricky day. Just knowing. If you look at the 4-hour chart here, so we did come down and fill this gap. We're right at the bottom of that gap right now. So very tricky. So that was from October 26th, the gap. And we did fill it, finally. Let's go, OC Dog Trainer. Let's go. 3 wins, 1 loss today, Trev. Not bad. Smash that like button, guys. Oh yeah, I gotta fire up the. So we will be giving away a 50K if we get 200 likes. Shouldn't be no problem. Jack Boom in the house. Let's go, Caleb. Yeah, you like to play the range break on gold. Take a look at gold here. So gold pushing up, Nasdaq pushing down. So I had a pretty solid day today. So I did I had an issue with Trade-Evate, guys. Got an issue with Trade-Evate, believe it or not. Which is why I'm not trading with it at the moment. My accounts are all screwed up with My Funded Futures. Not My Funded Futures' fault. It's just something's going on with Trade-Evate and my accounts, so I can't trade it at the moment. I'll show you. So I have no data. Let's see if I got data now. I now have data. Okay. All right. Here's my look at my charts, guys. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I don't trade whatever's on whatever this is. And so all day today I had no data whatsoever. And so anyways, I had no data, and my account, I bought an account, and then because of the data lag, I ended up hopping in the trade. And it instant breached me. Which was really weird. So it instant breached me on one of my accounts. I'm hoping I can get that account back. And I had another account that I didn't trade, and there was no data. So I don't know. And then like this chart, I don't even know what this is. And then it has an ATM strategy of Bori TRDX. I feel like this is like someone else's chart. It's the strangest thing. I don't know. It's all messed up. But I'll have to mess with that. I'll have to mess with that later. An instant breach because the data was so far off that when I marketed in, it was like 10 minutes behind. So it instantly breached my account because it was already down. Yeah. I don't know. It was like down like, so like a 50K account, it was down like 47,000. Just like that. So I actually have screenshots of it. I'll show you. Yeah, so it was pretty weird. Let's go, Mango. 150K straight to funded. Let's go. Good luck with that. $6,000 in drawdown. Pretty awesome. Great deal right now. 40% off Lucid. So here's a screenshot that I took. And as you can see, the account is way down. It's like blown. Right? But I wasn't, it literally was instant blown because as soon as I went to click to buy with 2 contracts, it literally went to yellow. So it literally went to yellow. And then it was like blown. It was so weird. And you can see like no trades, right? On the performance center. It's showing no trades. Well, it shows a trade, but just the commission. I don't know, it's so screwed up. So I can get that back. It was so weird, Nico. So weird. What is the minimum you have to make on per day of Lucid, Mango? There's no minimum. You just have to stay under 20% consistency, make 9,000 bucks, take out 3,000, and then after the second payout you make 4,500, take out 3,000, and then the third payout I believe you make another 4,500, take out another 3,000, I believe, and then so on. So it leaves you a nice buffer. That's what I liked about it. It's basically you're getting paid to pass like an eval. So if you get 150K eval, you'd have to pass it. So I just try to stay, personally, I just try to stay like under like, say 2,000 bucks, just to stay within the consistency. I believe the consistency would be what, 1,800, right? 9,000 or something like that. But I just try to stay like under 2,000 myself per day. That's just me. Market pushing down here. Digital nukes in the house. Oh, really, Coach Fred? Yeah, that's so weird. Yeah, that's so weird. What is the consistency rule, Mango? So your largest day, your largest single day profits can't be more than 20% consistency of what you're trying to make. So in this case, it's $9,000, right, to get to a payout. 9,000. So $9,000, and trade it for 10 days, and it's about $1,800, right? Exclamation point pine in the chat. Smash the like button. Market is just moving down here. Could we get continuation? Kind of feels like it, right? Staying right in this trend. This downwards trend. I mean, it's pretty much just been doing that all day. If you look at the channel here. Market's pushing down here. Take a look at gold here as well. Gold sitting right here at the VWAP. Not really doing much right now in gold. MBT's lively. That's what I've heard. I think a lot of the prop firms, they took it off. I'm not seeing it. Yeah, I'm not seeing it on trade day. We salute Uncle Mo. We do. Uncle Mo's the man. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on this trade day account here. Oh, I screwed up a account today with trade day. I actually had one almost passed and I blew it, which kind of sucked. So I picked up two more. I did lock in a payout today. 471 bucks with the what is it? I think it's 90-10 profit split with trade day. Let's go, Orlando. The core counts rule plus $1,641 in 7 days. Let's go, Orlando. Yeah, if you guys are interested in the My Fun Futures core plans, still on sale right now, 59 bucks. Use code PINE. I mean, I'm loading up. I'm gonna send out an email real quick to Sorry guys, I just got to write out this email real quick to My Funny Futures. I want my account back. All right, Chanel, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Moto Trades in the house. What is up? All right, gold back to just chopping that VWAP. Nasdaq testing that VWAP. Seeing MBT on trade day. Maybe I'm missing it. Yeah, you know, I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it. That's okay. I don't need to trade it anyway. Oh boy. Gold and Nasdaq's enough. I feel like I have an 80-year-old heart. From Nasdaq. What's up, Todd? You like Ninja Trader? I've never traded with Ninja. My brother trades with Ninja. Or used to. JMG, you were averaging $2,500 a day on Tradeify until you blew it. Oh no. Yeah, I can't get anything going with Tradeify lately. I don't know. I just can't get anything going. I mean, I got a payout with them few this year, but lately I can't. I got like a little Tradeify curse. I don't know if you guys have that too with certain prop firms where it's just like I can't get anything going. Like especially you guys that multi-prop, and then there's this sum that you just can't get going on. Kind of weird. We did close 10.25 bearish gap, Trev says. 80.20, thank you, Caveman. Is little bro still active on the prop streets? Sort of. He's kind of testing out and working on some algos, which is fun. So yeah, he's not actively trading really. He says he just can't. He just doesn't want to spend all day in front of the screens right now. So he built some bots and things that he's working on, testing out and doing that kind of stuff, which is a lot of fun. He taught me how to like fire up Pine script and do some testing with that. Speaking of Pine script, I gotta update my trading view too. Check out this strat I was testing out. It's a little scalp. Market's just chopping that VWAP right now. Just waiting. So there's a little scalp here. I don't know if you can fully see it, but let me just do that. It's a 92.16 win rate in the last 30 days. No, not 90 days. Last 90 days. It's a negative R&R trade. It's pretty cool. So I'm just kind of testing it right now, and Autumn 9 in the house. Samurai Trader is better than Ninja Trader. Yeah, 46 in gold would be bad. So yeah, the cool thing about that trade right there is that the drawdown is only 585 bucks, and that's with one mini. So this is with one mini. So it's been red hot lately, but if you backtest it the full year, it's not as great. It's about 87%, $2,600 in drawdown, and it only made $7,000. But the last 90 days, it's made about $1,000 a month. With one mini. 2.9 profit factor. So Nasdaq's pushing up here, back above the VWAP. What's gold up to? You guys are cheering on gold. What's gold up to? Gold kind of bouncing off that VWAP. Kind of putting the same pattern as NASDAQ, believe it or not. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. I was able to get some Lucid trading accounts to give away. So that's pretty epic. No activation fees on those bad boys either. So they're 50K accounts. It's the test accounts, 50K test accounts. Not the direct to funded, I wish, but. So I got one I can give away tonight. NASDAQ pulling back here. No inside bars yet. Big rejection at the open. Kind of putting in a bear flag. What's up, KDP? Hey, thank you, his royal trades. Appreciate that. Let's go, design. You going to Costa Rica? That's awesome. That sounds fun. I could use some palm trees in my life. Grant, what's up? Tommy C loves Lucid. I like them too. I think they're a good company. I think they're gonna be right up there with the top dogs, to be honest with you. As far as newer companies, I think they got it figured out. Yeah, I'm excited to see what they do in the future, to be honest. Praying for you, Moose. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, 007? Yoda, what is up? Yeah, Coach Fred, it's something about the... It is something about those trade day accounts. They are tough. So that's the thing, guys. Trade day, I'm gonna tell you right now, like for me, these trade day accounts, the end of day accounts are sweet. So yeah, this account was near demise. Like it was hurting, and I ended up bringing it back today. So it took 14 trades. You can see, actually, yeah, look, negative 300, negative 100, negative 400, and then I was down today too on it. And then I ended up bringing it back on the short from the overnight right through here just before midnight. I'm sitting there watching my stories, and all of a sudden the market just starts to fade, and it starts picking up accelerating, and I ended up hopping in. I'll actually see if I can see it. I probably traded a little more than what I remember too, but oh, here we go. See it right in here? Right before midnight. Caught that dump. Started adding contracts like crazy. And then I hit 2,471 and I locked out. I was like, all right, that's enough. I'm going to bed. I locked it out just before midnight. So, excellent trade there. All right, back to the market now. Lost the chart. There we go. Can't find it. All right, market pushed it down here. A little bear flag break. I was thinking about pulling the trigger on that short, but I think I didn't. But yeah, could we get continuation off this opening drive candle again like we did last night? That'll be interesting, right? Yeah, I kind of missed it, Giannis, but yeah. I don't know. I'm feeling very patient tonight. We'll see. Why do I only trade Asia Open? I only stream Asia Open because no one watches me during New York. Am I looking for sales? Not right at the moment. But yeah, I am. I think overall the market's pretty bearish at the moment. But not right this second. Take a look at gold here. Gold just going sideways. So hopefully the volatility picks up in about 30 minutes on gold, which is pretty sweet for the stream, right? Normally volatility doesn't pick up until later. So hopefully it picks up in about half hour and then continues to pick up. Yo, Sherry, what is up? You have the intradays, Fred? Yeah, if it was an intraday on this account, it would have blown, because I was trading it too aggressively. It definitely would have blown. So the end of day accounts is sweet, and the reason why is because once you build up, you start building up on the day, and you're up. It's much easier for me to keep building upon a winning day than it is when I'm down and then trying to get back to green. But if I'm green on the day, it's easier for me to keep building. That's just one of my strengths. So it was, I don't want to say it was easy to get to a payout, but like once I started building that green, it was easier to push the button and push it over to the payout. Just had a sub, I think. Maximize momentum. What is up? Thanks for the sub. I appreciate you. We still have that gap down 19,000 area. Oh, really? Interesting. Didn't realize that. It took a while. I was wondering when we were going to fill this gap that we filled today, but we did it. Retest the 350 breakout level seems in the cards the next few sessions. Let's take a look at the, yeah, we'll take a look at the hourly. Let's go look here. Excuse me. Yeah, we have a gap down there. Yep, 350s. If we go look at the 4 hour, his royal says we have a giant gap somewhere down in here. So definitely some room to the downside. Back to the 5. All right, you're getting a little bump up here. Scott, thanks so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Cranston White in the house. Plus 511 bucks today. Let's go. Yeah, I capitalized on that too. I mean, it was scary because it kept trying to bounce, right? But yeah, you just kind of had to close your eyes and, you know, let it go. Yeah, open gap right here too. 20,800. 20,748. Smaller one. And then another one, like his roll says down here, 19,000. So there's actually 2 gaps I got on the daily chart. So yeah, cool. More targets if we get some downside. Something to keep in mind. But market looking pretty bearish right here if you're looking at the daily. At the moment. Whew. Right back to the VWAP. So no momentum. Take a little scalps and stuff, but no momentum yet. Staying patient. Gold. Trying to push down here on gold. Sort of breaking that trend line. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Smash the like button. 200 likes. We do a giveaway. Report showed liquidity issues today. No money to buy the dip. All cash out. Oh, interesting, KDP. I see that Michael Burry, right, took a big short or something in NVIDIA and Palantir. Michael Burry. $845 million bet against artificial intelligence. Boom. I guess he's betting that it's going to be like the tech bubble, I guess. I do like that movie, The Big Short. Let's get the short top of the box at 35. Let's go. What's your guys' favorite trading movie? You guys got a favorite trading movie? Margin call. Let's go. That's a good one. Rogue trader. That's a good one too. Trading places. Rogue trader. Oh, you watch Billions? I like Billions too. Yeah, I watched Billions design for sure. Joom Incorporated. Whatever happened to him anyway? I see stuff online. I see stuff on Twitter all the time about fast track trading, but I haven't seen anything about Thrive trading. NASDAQ continuing to push down here. Kind of holding this level for the time being. Oh, cool. Another bear flag break, I take it. Trading places, that's a good one too. Oh, trading places. Yeah. That is a good movie. I kind of like The Big Short. Wolf of Wall Street, that's good. Love The Wolf of Wall Street. What's up with the Grand Cup? I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. No more Grand Cup for me. How you guys doing in the Grand Cup? Any of you guys still in it? Watching Wolf of Wall Street on the plane. Let's go. How's FSP? I don't know. So the thing about the tournament, I don't know. It seems like the teams with the most people are the ones in the lead. So that's a little weird to show that for team. Like, shouldn't it be like the top people instead of just like how many people they have? I mean, I don't know. Or did they fix that? I don't really know. I haven't really been paying much attention. Let's check it out. Let's go, Christoph. That's great. Says Team FSP is in 5th place. Team FSP is in 5th place. Market just pushing back up here to the VWAP. Oh no, UPS plane crash and fire in Louisville. Man, that's where my Amazon package is. Let's go, Christoph. Yeah, I mean, I think if you just keep that pace going, you'll be fine. You should be able to qualify for the next round because I don't know. Someone was saying like even if you don't even trade, you qualify at this point. Holy cow! Negative. Guys, everyone. I think even if you have negative 47,969, you advance. You advance right now. So even people that are underwater advance because a lot of people blew up. So right now, if you have like 47,000, 48,000 bucks, you advance to the next round. That's kind of funny. Oh, I see. They grouped a bunch of people together. They grouped a bunch of people together too. So they had like Team No Name. Because they didn't have enough people join their team. They're gonna reset the people way behind. I don't know. Yeah, they just grouped a bunch of teams together. People that didn't have a lot of people on their team, I guess. So yeah, live and learn. Like I'm sure they'll if they do it again, they'll improve. They had some mistakes for sure. Do they keep their balances for each round? I have no clue. I think they do. 90%. Yeah, just right. His roll trades. Yeah, absolutely. Holy cow, big cat. 36,000 gallons of jet fuel. Wow. Hope everyone's all right. $956, I know. Yeah, it's tough. That's the thing. It's like that's the thing about tournaments, guys. It's like trading is a you versus you game, and then when you're doing a tournament, it's you versus them versus you. Say it. So then you're forced to full port because you look at the leaderboard and you're trying to keep up, and then you have to full port. So there's some traders out there that are so good at being consistent, making $100, $200, $300, $400 a day, and can get massive amounts of payouts and trade live accounts and everything like that. When it comes to a tournament, you're not gonna win doing that. You gotta make, like you guys say, like $10,000, $20,000 a day in those tournaments to win. Yeah, it's crazy. I was up like $30,000 in the BDH tournament, and I was still in like 23rd place or something crazy at one point, and then I ended up blowing it. No eliminations until the 14th top 200 advance. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a long time. That's two weeks, right? So boy, the Bears are back in town, guys. Back looking at gold here. Gold's just very choppy right at the moment. About 15 minutes here before the top of the hour. Exclamation point pine if you guys want to join the giveaway. Smack the like button. 200 likes will do a giveaway. So many tabs open. There we go. Back to it. All right, market pushed down here. 25,515. Kind of holding up though. Just putting in a little range here. A 20-point range right now. It's starting to. It looks like it wants to try to break down. We'll see. It's feeling heavy. Feeling top heavy. Guy on FSP has a 98.28% win rate. Holy cow, Atlant. That's quite the strategy. I'm very interested in knowing what that is, but I'm sure anyone with a nice edge doesn't want to give it up. I mean, 98.28% and is in first place. It's one thing to have 98% win rate, and it's another thing to actually be making money that much money and being in first place is pretty amazing. That's interesting. Maybe if he wins it, FSP will interview him. He's done interviews in the past, so that'd be cool. Crypto, what is up? Thanks so much for joining us. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. Zane in the house. Tim Korth, what is up? Ain't trading FSP strategy for sure? No, big cat. Definitely not. 73% is great. I mean, win rate, R&R. I'm about a 60 to 70% one-to-one trader usually. It's usually what my, even discretionary trading, like if you add it all up, that's usually what I come out to. I don't know why. Adam Daz, what is up? So many bottoms on the 1 minute. Yeah, we're breaking down though. No trades yet. No trades yet. Here goes gold too. Gold selling off. Might get a little 500 bounce here. Let's go, big cat. 65%. Let's go. More Trump tweets. Is that what's going on? I just have a feeling the market just wants lower. Kind of breaking out of this range here to the downside. Only goes up, never forget. Not right now. Finally got some bearish action. See if we would hold above that 25,500 now. Peeking at gold, bouncing right back to the VWAP. NASDAQ trying to bounce here at that 25,500 psych level. Front ran by about 5 points. It's getting a little bounce. I'm looking for shorts right now. I'm feeling a little bearish. Oh man, KDPs. Yeah. Never can I go home now? I know. Don't miss that, man. Nice part about the last job I had for the postal service, I was able to go home when I was done. So as soon as I got done my route, I could go home. Of course, this time of year, it got dark very early. It starts getting colder. Then you start getting the holiday packages and stuff start rolling in. Amazon, things like that. So had some long days as well out there. It's always the worst this time of year. Although I did take a lot of November off to go hunting, so once I became full-time mail carrier and I was able to get vacation time, I did take a lot of days off during November. Let's go, KDP. I like the hustle, man. Just finished the full-time, now starting the nighttime gig. Let's go. How long have I been trading full-time? God, how long have I been trading full-time for the second time? About a year and a half. So I went full-time back in 2021. I went full-time. And then I failed. And then I went back to work, and then I went back. Now I'm back full time. Your grandpa was a mailman for 30 years. My grandfather did the same thing. 20 to 30 years in the Air Force, and then was a mail carrier for 30 years, 25, 30 years, something like that. My grandfather did the same thing. He's passed now. But yeah, he was a city carrier. I was a rural carrier. All right, NASDAQ trying to get a little bounce here. Put it in the first inside bar here. I don't know. I guess I'll take it. For the stream, we'll try it out, right? We'll look for a little one-to-one maybe off the inside bar. This is the very first one of the session. So the very first inside bar today on New York worked great. Oops, I just got triggered in short. I did not mean to do that. Well, I'm short. With what the heck is going on? Where's my brackets? Oh, I was on the... Okay. I'm still on an eval. Trade day eval, but I was like, where's my other bracket? Oh, that's how you do it. Now I remember. Triggered in short here off the inside bar. Look for a little one-to-one scalp here on the trade day eval. There's a nice little push down through. See if we can keep it going though. Funny thing is, I'm still not used to trading Project X, really. I trade it, but I usually just mark it in and out with brackets. I gotta remember to like right click, left click, put it in the orders and the limit orders, things like that. Get rid of those chart executions. See if we can get down below that 25,500. We just bounced off it again. Cabooshin, let's go. Oh, thank you, Momentum. Yeah, I just kind of figured that out, but we'll look for a nice little cabooshin. What I'm gonna do is, like, if we start to push down through, I'm gonna look to take and move my stop and trail my stop. That's what I'm gonna look to do. Appreciate that, Momentum. Yo, Paul, what's up? Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. I'm gonna give away a Lucid account, free Lucid account. If we get to 200 likes, Lucid's great. Yeah, I just got a 3K payout with him, 44 Punisher. Yeah, I just got a 3K payout. They paid instantly. That's always a plus. So literally instantly on the payout. Let's go. All right, below 500, I move the stop. There we go. Moving the stop here. Trailing. All right, stopped out. 140 on the quick little flush here. Might get a little bounce here if we tested that 500. We'll see. Likes to bounce at these psych levels, so we'll see if we actually do bounce. Left a gap up here in 5 minute as well. I kind of forget this is an end of day account, so usually I'm used to trading the Bulanox. So when I trade Bulanox or intraday trailing accounts, that's what I do, guys. So I trail the stop very quickly and not let it come back against me. And that's how I get over the intraday trailing until I get over the buffer, and then it becomes end of day anyway, right? So, but yeah, I kind of forget that trade. I'm on trade day. It's end of day account, so could have just left a stop there, or moved it down, and then what? There's another drop there. So yeah, nice break on that first inside bar. So nice easy 1-to-1 off it. This is the first inside bar right here. And what I do is I just take the break, stop goes above somewhere, and then yeah, I look for a 1-to-1, or you can just look left if you have targets to the downside, like gaps or equal highs or lows or anything like that, then you can target those. But yeah, market's feeling overall pretty bearish at the moment, to be honest with you guys. Adam, yeah, I agree with you. Especially for certain accounts. No consistency accounts. I definitely like end of day. Because I like to push it. Man, my neck just popped. Oh, let's go, Fred. Let's go, his royal trades. It's only up about 140 so far, but what's gold up to? Gold pushing higher. Gold really needs to break out of this. We'll see what happens here. It's trying. It breaks up through here above 39.48. Could actually be a little breakout long. I can lighten it up a little. Is that a little better? I'm gonna go for a little breakout long here on gold. Trailing my stop here. I don't like I don't like 50 levels. Those are usually resistant levels, so I'm just trailing my stop pretty tight. Bang, full 300 bucks off that. It's up 4 to 35 off the Tory tan line, trend line on gold. That was a nice trade. That felt clean. All right, what's NASDAQ doing? Still pushing down. NASDAQ. Another super clean move right off the open. Trending downwards. Gold kind of rejecting off that 50 level, pulling back. Yeah, so any 50 levels, for me personally, whether it's NASDAQ or whatever, like those 50s, those 20s, the whole numbers, that they act as support and resistance a lot of times, you know, temporarily. But yeah, they'll just reject. If you're scalping, they'll reject off those levels and stuff. You'll see it all the time. I'm like, oh man, the 50s. I don't know so much about it on gold though. It's just a psych level thing, but thank you, Drax. Daylight Delta is really ruining my flow. Yes, Kabushin too. Yeah, it's bearish. She's market's finally pulling back, right? For now. Taking a look at the daily candles. So we got all-time high sitting up there at 26,000, like 400 almost, and then market's finally doing a little pullback here. So if you look at the daily, Wow, market just really flushed off that 500. Let's go, his royal trades. Let's go. We just flattened out. Yeah, about 435 tonight. Just 2 trades. Have to trade. You did Iron Triangle. Yeah, you have to trade these trade days for 5 days and then stay under 30% consistency on the evals. So, but then once you're funded, you don't need to. Once you're funded, you don't need to worry about the consistency because it goes away, which is nice. AMD's down. That is interesting. James, yeah, heck yeah, D-Money. D-Money's the man. I've met D-Money, he's cool. He's a cool dude. S&B Capital did a video on the 50. Oh, that's interesting, Dean. 25, 350 coming? Possibly. Getting a little bounce here. Yeah, I'll have to check that out, Dean. I watch some of the S&B Capital stuff sometimes. All right, getting a little bounce here on NASDAQ. Overall, the market's just been pushing down since the open. Big Cat, you bought a 7DT SPY put earlier. Wonder if we would hold it through the week. I was thinking these elections should shake things up. Yeah, it could. Am I gonna Rocket Scooter audition for Rocket Scooter afternoon show? No. No. So crypto, yeah, I do like trying to keep a daily loss limit. That is my thing on my funded accounts. I really try to keep a DLL of like $800. That's kind of like max pain. As far as profit targets go, not really. I struggle with that unless it has a consistency rule. This is why I get most of my payouts with consistency accounts. I struggle like over trading when I don't have consistency on the account. So like a Top Step or a core, my funded futures core account, when there's no consistency, I try to push it. So yeah, I don't really have any profit goals unless I hit consistency. So like on this account, I don't want to go over more than 900 for the, for the eval, if that makes sense. But daily loss limit's more important to me than anything. I think if you stick to a daily loss limit on your account, and it's super easy to set those, especially with Project X, you can just set your loss limits, the risk settings, and then just, I don't do it on evals, but on the funded accounts, I set a daily loss limit. I mean, eval life matters too. Eval's lives matter too. I should treat them with a little more respect, to be honest. But I just don't. I send them. I like this Harami here. But man, it is going against the grain, isn't it? For a long. We're not really getting the back and forth. We're just kind of grinding lower, so it is a little iffy. My bias is to the downside. Setting the bait, Drac? Probably. Yeah, exactly. They're like, hey, Pine, go long. We're going to rip this market lower. But this is one of the setups I do like. When we get big range days where we're going back and forth, I made a video about it. I love looking at a Harami candle when so the body opens and closes within the body of the previous candle, and we swept the high and the low. So we made a new session low on this candle. Body opened and closed right back into the body of this candle. It triggers a long. So I'm going to try it, but... I'm going to try it. We'll see what happens. If I get stopped out, it's pretty much going to lose tonight's profits, which is okay. But if it hits, then I'm pretty much hitting consistency. And I'm done on this account until basically tomorrow night. So we'll see. But, you know, the trend is your friend, the trend is your friend, right? But it's not a bad spot to take along, just from the time too. Like, you know, maybe it pushes back up towards that 500, and then, you know, for the bottom of the hour maybe. Well, I think what I'll do is if this candle opens and closes back down into this Harami candle right here, I think I'll exit. I'll exit early. There we go. Nice little pop there. Stops at break even now. Locking in some money. See if we get the pop to the rest of the way, but locking in. There we go. Bang, 840 bucks. Thank you, Digital Nukes. Thanks, guys. Harami's life matter. That's right. Yeah, sometimes they don't offer good R&R, so it does trade her better than 50% usually. Nice, Tony. Thank you, Drock. Thank you, Daz. Thank you, guys. Yeah, nice 3 for 3 tonight so far. Yeah, this account pretty much locked out. I mean, 900 is like what I like to make. But yeah, I took it off just before that 500 again, that psych level. So you see that 25,500. Just a psych level there. Now, normally what I do, the way I've showed on my videos, is I look for the top, right? So the top of this candle, the whole body, I would target the top. Now, it still is in play, so we could actually get there. But where we're in such a downtrend and the 25,500 is right there, that's where I use a little discretion and try to take it off just before that. So that's just a little, that's where some of the discretion comes into play for me. Smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. I'm gonna do a giveaway here in about a little less than 30 minutes. We'll do a moose race. Pulled him back here off that 25,500. Just relentless. Thank you, Digital Dukes. Let's go. Pass it on that pop. Yeah, hopefully I can get that account reset for my funded futures. That'll be sweet. If not, it's okay. But I mean, it was kind of my fault and not. When I clicked the button, I saw that the chart was a little weird. But I clicked the button anyway. It turns out the data was all screwed up, so. Aim for the high on the big down bar. Let's go. Yeah, it's kind of pushing back up. Test that VWAP. So, you know, this trade still could be in play. I wonder when trade day dashboard. I wonder when that updates. So, guys, core counts $59. So still right now, up to 5 users. Use code PINE, and also, from what I've been told, on the core accounts for $59. Make sure you click on the free Flex add-on, or the discount won't work. But also, it rebills at that low rate of $59. So if you fail the eval next month, it's going to rebill at $59. This is what I've read in the My Funded Futures chat. So hopefully that's correct. But yeah, that'll be cool. All right, rejecting off that 500. Request withdrawal. Let's go. All right, guys, I just requested a $471 payout from Trade Day. A daily payout. Let's go. Take profit trader. I got a payout yesterday of 700 something total. Take profit trader, and the day before that, or Friday, I got another 700 something daily payout with Take Profit Trader. So on the roll with the daily payouts. I love those. Just average down. Sorry, guys. Back in, Big Cat. I like it. Travis, thank you so much. Spratley, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Just average down from 90 to 76. Let's go. Savage, let's go. Trade day, one day before the update dashboard. My dashboard was updated, and I don't know. I made the money today, and it just updated, so. KDP, yeah, they won't give me a code. Lucid's like that too. So one-time fee, no monthly fees with Lucid. Currently 40% off Lucid accounts. No monthly fees with them either. So it's a one-time fee. Pretty sweet. Does the core account trade the same way as the other accounts? So with the core accounts, it's 5 days of $100 or more. to qualify for a payout. And when you click the free flex add-on, you can withdraw up to 50% of your total profit. So it's a lot like Top Step used to be, right? Except you only make 5 days of $100 or more, not 150. So it's the same. It's basically the same. Works the same as Top Step, basically. So yeah, the core counts are sweet. The prop firms pay out? Yes, they do. Eric. Yeah. Mario, what is going on? Thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Takes the stress off passing fast. Yeah. Let's go, Big Cat. Yeah, some have more strict rules. Yeah, you have to be familiar with the rules, Eric. Yeah, with each individual prop firm. Every prop firm is different. We want the VWAP. I know, it's kind of flagging right now. Hopefully it doesn't drop. But still holding. Still holding this the bottom here at 455. Today was great, live trading. Yeah, got a daily payout. Made some progress on some other funded accounts. Looking great. Made some progress on some evals. So kind of flagging out here. I don't know what's going on. We'll see what happens if we hold this. Whew. There goes NASDAQ pushing back down here. Do we make it? It's like gonna make new session lows here. Woo! She is bearish, guys. Another bear flag break. JR, when does the $59 end? Oh, I have no idea. No one knows. Don't run the moose race. I need to be president. Got a feeling might be in the top 10. Let's go. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. We're going to give away a Lucid account. 25,380 next level. Thank you for that. Yeah, we have some room to the downside. We got some gaps. We got all kinds of stuff. So definitely pushing down at the moment. Lucid straight to funded. I love it. Here's a Lucid straight to funded right here. So you got three. What I like about this one right here, the 150K, is you get $6,000 in payout. Drawdown, I mean. I just got a $3,000 payout. It paid instantly. So the challenge is you have to get up to $9,000 to get a $3,000 payout, but it leaves you with a very nice buffer, and then you only have to make $4,500 after to qualify for another payout. You still have to trade it for another 8 days, but yeah, it's very fast payouts. It was 2-minute payout, so that's what I like. But yeah, looking pretty good. So I'm pretty close to another payout. I think I only need like $400 or $500 more. How hard could it be? How hard could it be? But yeah, great looking calendar on this so far, except day one. So day one, so thankfully for that right here, that $6,000 payout, because day one I took a $3,600 max loss on that account. So it was at their daily loss limit. Thanks, Nao. Every 8 days, yeah. Let me double check that. Yeah, Lucid's 8 days. Yeah, 8 days. It is 20% consistency, so keep that in mind. But on a 150K, that's like $1,800. So, and I kept mine around 2,000 on that particular account. All right, NASDAQ still pushing down here. We are still pushing down here. Woof. What's up, Michael? Still short from 440. Let's go. 420 for sure. That's right. Real robot. We are going to the magical 420s. Mohammed, what is up? What's going on, everyone? Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys wanted to join the giveaway. We're gonna do a moose race for a Lucid account, test account, 50K test account. John White, what is up? Is there a difference in data feed compared to the mainstream platform? Slippage, order delays. People complain about slippage a little bit. I don't really notice that much myself. People do, especially with Project X, they do complain about it. So there is a little bit of slippage from time to time. Sometimes it's good slippage, sometimes it's bad slippage, so it kind of like evens out. That's how like Tom Hugard used to talk about that, how it, you know, over your trading career, kind of evens out for the most part. But yeah, but not as much slippage. Probably more slippage than when you're in a live account. So. Mitch, it's going for the October 24th gap. It could be, yeah. Going for those magical 20s. Let's see if we get there. All right, nothing for me to see here right now. This market's just pushing down. Gold, right back into the range, right around the VWAP. We took a nice trade on gold earlier. We actually caught this pop off this trend line, so scalped out. But yeah, nice little play there on the gold. Nasdaq's just kind of pushing down at the moment. Best loser wins. Let's go. Yeah, I love that book. I'm a big Tom Hugard fan. That's like my guru inspiration, you know. There's a lot of Tom Hugard stuff. Pretty much watched all his videos and all that good stuff, you know. I just like the work he does. Smash the like button too if you guys are joining the giveaway. Where are we at with that? 252 people watching. Let's go. Thank you so much for being here. All right, market still pulling back here. See if we make new session lows. People push down into the magical 420s. Kind of looking like it. Is my main strategy candle patterns? Yeah. Yeah, I look for bull flags, bear flags, trend lines, inside bars, Harami candles. That's basically it on a 5-minute chart. That's all I do, really. I know take profit trader. No, I know TPO charts, things like that, but yeah, that's the main thing I look at. It's kind of like, what's the market doing, you know, on the 5 minute, and yeah, I just make it happen. So pretty nice trades. Taking 3 trades tonight, 3 for 3, some bangers. Up 840 on this trade day eval. So right at consistency. Up $606 on my Lucid funded. Pretty much the same trades, but I'm just kind of like not copy trading. I'm just going back and forth on the screen. So looking for 12 points. Let's go. Let's get it. So I'm like $350 away from another Lucid payout for $3,000 on the same account that I just took the $3,000 8 days ago. So yeah, I gotta get up to 4,500 and stay under the 20%, get it under 20% consistency. Trade it one more day, so I'm right there. How hard can it be? No big deal. So we just gotta not screw it up, right? Then I can take another 3,000. Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, caveman. Yeah, I can take another 3,000. So that'll be $6,000 in about, and just from Lucid in about, if I can get it, in about 16 days, 20 days, something like that. Market's still pushing down, but we gotta get there first. We ain't there yet. No pressure. But we just gotta be patient and then wait for a setup and take it. And if it's a loss, then so be it. You know? Thank you, His Royal. Alright, market's still pushing down, guys. Going right to that 420. So we are bouncing at the magical 420s. The low right now is 420. Oh, it just wicked below it. And then bounced in there. So yeah, that is definitely a psych level now. Now it's pushing back down through. Volatility picking up here around that level. It's trying to bounce here at the 420 level. It's down below it now, but it's trying to bounce. See what happens. It's nice to get that. Nice to get some movement though. This has been great. It really sucks when you stream all for a few hours and there's no market movement. Right now we got plenty of market movement, so. Bouncing here at this level. Trying to hold above that 420. Interesting how this candle closes. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're going to do the giveaway here soon. We'll start getting that fired up, actually. It's struggling here. It's battling. It's trying to bounce, but Bears are just not giving up. Be interesting if we get a little pop here off the 420. New 15-minute candle. Tyler Plummer, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Appreciate you stopping in. Battling here at the 420s. Just a battle. I'm watching. Who's gonna give it up first? All right, online stopwatch. Oh, I gotta log in. Come on, man. All right, getting the moose race fired up here. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you haven't already. I'll give you guys 1 more minute. Smash the like button if you haven't already. So 1 more minute to get your entries in. We're giving away a 50K Lucid account. Let's go. Must be eligible to trade with Lucid, so if you don't know, please check the restricted country list and all that good stuff. If you're not, and you win, then I'm sorry, I can't give you no prize. So market's still looking like it wants to push down here. All right, let's get the all right, I'm closing entries. Okay, closing entries. Good luck, everyone. Let me fire this up. Yeah, it's for sure it's getting cold at night. Holy cow. This is the record amount of entries, and like we clearly don't have enough likes for the amount of entries that are in this. What do I do with the moose race? There it is. $383 people in the moose race, guys. Please smash that like button if you haven't already to help support this channel. Please use code PINE as well for the prop firms. Here we go. Oh, I gotta put my moose race hat on. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. This is a record-setting moose race. All right, must be present to win. So must be present to win. If not, then we'll rerun it. So here we go. Good luck. Let's go. All right, we got, I see Buddy, I see Design Knob in the middle. I see Design, we got Pookie on the right. On the inside lane, we got Market Pilot pushing up through here. Loomy Candles in the house. We got Chris B out to our early lead here. You don't want to be in the lead with 20 seconds to go. We'll see what happens here. Who's it gonna be? 15 seconds left. Hit the NOS, hit the boost. Trading on tilt. Let's go. Trading on tilt. Congratulations. Trading on tilt, are you here? That's your cousin? Let's go. Look at kind of an old OG trading on tilt. Dude, you just won the biggest moose race of your life. Who finished last in this one? There's 344 people in here. Cranston White finishing last place. Congratulations, trading on tilt. Let's go. 50K Lucid account. Let's go. Trading on tilt, are you in the Discord by chance? The kids are freaking out. Like, what the hell? Yeah, let's go. How do you sign up? You're old. Are you already? You don't have to be in the Discord. You just send me a here. Send me an email with, like, do a screenshot of your channel. So it's like this. Just do a screenshot of your channel so I know it's you, and send it to that email there, and then I'll send you the code. Let's go, man. Yeah, it's nice to see a long-time follower. Yeah, no problem. Market still pushing down here. Congratulations. So we'll do more giveaways throughout the week. We do giveaways quite often. When I get accounts, when you guys use my codes, it helps support the channel. It lets the prop firms know that, you know, you guys are, you know, using the code, and then in turn I'll ask them. I'm like, hey, can I get some free accounts to give away to the community? And they said, yeah, let's do it. So this time I asked Lucid for the very first time, and they said yes. So they gave me some accounts, so I get to give them to you guys. So pretty awesome. First time seeing the moose race. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm from the state of Maine. It's where I was born and raised. So we have lots of moose. Hence the name Pine Tree Trader, because I'm from the Pine Tree State. So that's why we do the moose races. It's fun. I wanted to do a little something different. We got, you know, a lot of people do the duck races. That's how I got my inspiration, is from like Cove and Nutty and to do the duck races. But yeah, I was looking, and I was like, oh yeah, let's do those moose races. It's kind of fun. So I got the moose race hat. We do that. All right, market holding up here at 410. How long will it hold? We don't really know. Going sideways here. Top of the hour. Lots of moose in Norway. Let's go. Yeah. Which better, direct to funded, Tradeify or Lucid? Ooh, which is better? To be honest with you, Ishmael, I would say whoever has the best deal going right at the moment. So you'd have to check the prices, but right now it's 40% off. Tradeify, I'm not sure what the Tradeify deal is right now. It might be 30% off. But I don't know what the overall price is. But you can use code PINE for either one of those for the discounts for Tradeify, or I have 5 Tradeify accounts myself, so they're not doing well, but I do have 5 Tradeify accounts. So who is better? I don't know. Does anyone have an opinion on that? Yeah, AJ, the CEO from Lucid. Yeah, he's pretty down to earth. Seems like a cool guy. That's why I kind of like them. So yeah, as far as the rules and stuff, they're actually very comparable. Ishmael, they're very comparable. The rules, the payout rules, everything, they're very, very similar. It's like Lucid's like a cross between Tradeify and like My Funded Futures in a way, as far as the payout rules are concerned. But yeah, pretty good. It says correct these email addresses. You can try this email address. Here's another email address, trading on tilt. I don't know. I mean, that one should work. You can try that one too. Market's still pushing down here below. Good top of the hour here. Good luck, everyone. Market volatility should pick up now. Let's go, MJ. We'll get that. Congratulations, trading on tilt. Love to see it. I'll email you back with the code. And let me know if it works. It's for a 50K test account with Lucid, so. I'll do that right now. It's weird. Alright, trading until I just sent you an email. Just use that code. It should work. It's the first time I've ever done it through Lucid, so it should be fine, but just let me know if it isn't. There you go. Alright. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it that. Whoa! Market's pushing down here. Just a ripper. There it goes. No problem, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, one of those rare sessions you just sold that open. Yeah, last night was the same way. Actually. Yeah, right in here, right? Yeah. Market open, small gap down, and then never looked. If you went short yesterday open, you're still short. You're making millions and millions and millions of dollars right now. No, I don't know, but yeah, market's just pushing down. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Smash that like button. I'll be here same time tomorrow, 5:45 Eastern time. Please use code PINE if you have to help support the channel. I'll put my link of my website in the chat. Here's a link to my website. It's all my affiliate codes, things like that. If you guys want to support the channel, support me, whatever, use those codes. Code PINE on pretty much everything. PINE on Lucid. Trade day, PINE with a capital P is the only weird one. It's case sensitive. It's PINE with a capital P. So I appreciate that. Tradeify, Lucid, My Funded Futures, PINE. Take Profit Trader, Apex, still 70% off, $40 activation fee with Apex. If you guys are trading with Apex, and Bulanox as well, code PINE. I appreciate you guys. I'll we'll catch you later. Nice trading tonight. Give myself a pat on the back tonight. That was good, some good trading. Very happy with that. Okay, guys. See you later. Stay tuned for the outro. Peace. Later.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradeify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradeify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradeify's the the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, pine tree trader.